Hey everyone, I think I'm on to day 8. I'm starting to lose track of the numbers already. I'll have to check to make sure I know for sure what day I'm on. But man, the last few days have just been obstacle after obstacle. Today it's raining pretty hard. And so, and training in rain is more discouraging than snow. I'd rather do parkour in snow than rain. I don't know why. Rain, you get soaking wet and cold. Snow, it just kind of bounces off of you and you can kind of play in it and have fun. Rain is just like dreary and depressing. So anyways, I got a plastic bag that I'm gonna wrap around my camera, hopefully to protect it from the rain, but gotta do my training for today. So here we go, parkour in the rain. Remember, things are slippery when wet, so if you're training in the rain, keep that in mind. And hope you guys enjoy this little raining training session. This is what my camera setup's gonna look like. Let's hope it works. I might get water on the lens, so if it gets kind of blurry, I apologize for that, but it's the best I can do given the circumstances. I'm actually at this cool amphitheater area. It's a bunch of kind of neat little things to train on, so I'll just be training here for a bit. Well, it's starting to get dark and I feel pretty good. Did some interesting things. The rocks were slipperier than I was expecting. It's been fun training in the rain. Hasn't been raining as hard anymore, which is nice, but everything's still wet, so it doesn't make as much of a difference anyways. But let me know how your guys' training is going. If you've ever trained in the rain or in crappy weather, and what that was like for you. And anyways, we'll see you tomorrow and in future videos. Thanks for watching.